Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make any part of a PNG image transparent using the PNG Transparency Creator. Whether you're removing backgrounds, extracting objects, or refining edges, this tool makes it easy. As you begin your journey into mastering PNG transparency, start by searching for Online Tools PNG Transparency Creator in your favorite browser. You'll find a range of options, but today we'll be using onlinepngtools.com. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the main features of the PNG Transparency Creator. This tool allows you to replace any solid color and its close tones with transparent pixels. You can adjust the similarity percentage, smooth edges, and preview transparency masks to get the perfect result. First, upload your image. Next, enter the color you want to make transparent. Here, we'll choose the background color. Adjust the similarity percentage to match similar color tones. By default, it's set to 30%, but you can change it as needed. For our image, the default setting works perfectly, and that's how easy it is to use the PNG Transparency Creator. Give it a try and transform your PNG images effortlessly. This tool has many capabilities. You can also create transparent digital signatures, remove text backgrounds, and create transparent logos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.